Look guys, I wanna show you this. My dress guys. My yellow dress na nabili ko siya guys. For only 350 pesos. 350 pesos lang siya guys. So, ang ganda. Ayan, ito yung ating isusukat ngayon guys. Ayan, pack na pack yung aking ano ngayon guys. Ayan. Ayan yung likod ko guys. Medyo nag-shape na siya. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng ating likod guys. So, ang kailangan ko lang guys is yung aking tummy na mapaliit. So, ito, isusukat ko na siya guys. I really love it. Ayan guys, it's ano siya. Oh. Ayan, it's a long dress siya guys. Ayan, ito yung aking susuotin ngayon. Ayan, dahil lalabas ako. Ayan, morning time and also, ayan, it's church time guys. Today is Sunday, so ayan, it's time to rampa. Ayan, lalabas muna tayo guys. At ito yung aking i-fit ngayon. Ayan, I really love this guys. Ayan, nag-shape na yung aking likod guys. My problem is only my tummy. I need to diet and exercise. Ayan guys, oh, ang ganda na siya guys. Ganda ng aking ano, shape ng aking likod. Ayan. Only my problem is my tummy. My tummy guys. So look guys, ang ganda. Ganda ng kanyang color. So, susukat na natin siya guys. Ayan. I really love yellow color also guys. One of my favorite color. One of my favorite color guys. Ayan. Yung ating yellow color. So this is it. Ayan. Susukat na natin siya guys. Ayan. Yung ating yellow color. So guys. Ang ganda niya guys. Look. Ayan. Baba natin. Ayan guys. Ayan, basa pa yung aking hair. Ayan, kakatapos lang natin maligo, guys. Ayan, so this is it. This is it, guys. I need to, ayan, natin. Like this. So, this is my dress for today, guys. Ayan, a yellow color. I really love this, guys. Look. Ayan. My sample fashion for today. Ayan, guys. Di ba ang ganda? I really love this guys. A yellow color. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. So, I really love the color. The yellow color. Look guys. Yan, ganito yung design niya. So, I need to flat my belly guys. Like this. Ayan. So, this is it. My sample outfit for today guys. Ang ganda niya. I really love it. Ayan guys.